Hi guys, welcome again to Wendy Stars. You all are welcome to this beautiful channel where short hairstyles lives here, and we are here for those beautiful hair queen. And this hairstyle today is a hairstyle that embodies ease and elegance, and it's a wash and go haircut that will really show off your features and accentuate your face, because it's this style that will make you to switch things up, having different styles or wash and go style, and having those versatile beautiful haircut. One thing with this style on screen is a great cut for women who doesn't want to style their hair at home. It offers that perfect, effortless, bed head look. And when I talk about bed head look, you understand what I'm talking about. You can use it to sleep, you can use it to wake up without even stressing yourself, and you don't even need to just go and start making it up again. No, because it requires no effort to style. And one thing with the style is that it's the ultimate jump out of bed and go haircut. So one thing about this haircut too is that it's perfect for anyone that really wants a drastic change with minimal styling pressure. Because it's great for always highlighting your bone structure, and it will suit people with round face and oval face. This style is basically the easiest of all as far as styling goes, because all the hair is cut to about the same length, and sometimes making it shorter by the sides and longer on top can make the hair really look beautiful. So I just want you guys to just watch this haircut, and this style is that haircut you can simply wash and put a dollop of styling cream in it and you are good to go. There's no need for those hair dryers. So let me just let you guys to just have all the styles we have. I want to appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and stay locked to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short haircuts come your way.